All right, chickadees. As I'm looking through what you're doing, we have spent the whole year talking about framing your quote whenever you cite evidence, and not everybody's doing it. So let's just review how to do that. So you have the evidence you're going to use to prove your topic sentence, which proves your claim, right? You have that ready to go. So the first thing you do is you introduce your quote, right? You start with your own words to prepare us. You tell us who is speaking, when, why it's important, things like according to, being specific to this assignment. A minor during the Gold Rush wrote if you're using a primary source, right? One historian explains if I'm using a secondary source. Um, Explicitly naming where it comes from when describing the journey west. An example I might use: a miner during the gold rush wrote about the harsh conditions, saying. Then I put in my quote or my paraphrase. But if it's not my words, I have to introduce it and I have to give credit for it, right? Even if I'm rewording. So here's my quote, right? In bold, right here. In bold, right here is my quote. So I am going to say my introduction. A miner during the cold rush wrote about the harsh conditions, saying, "We worked from sunrise to sunset and found only a few flakes of gold." But I'm not done yet, because just because I said a miner said it, I didn't explicitly name the source that it came from and where in the source I found it. So step 3, cite your source. After the quote, you include what we call an in-text citation in parentheses, right, the little hug around it. Use the author's last name of the article, title, and quotes, followed by the paragraph number if it's an online article, page number if it's a book. So quote, author, paragraph number. If there's no author, then you put the title in quotation marks of the article. So here, right, see that quote right there? The author was Marshall. It's in paragraph 5. Anyone who wants to check my work can find it quickly, because that Marshall source will be in my works cited page. This one didn't have an author. It was called Gold Rush Overview, and it's in paragraph 2. That has to appear after every quote or paraphrase. Then you explain the quote, right? We use those sentence starters. This shows that, it proves, it highlights, it demonstrates, right? And then I put it all together. I have my topic sentence, I introduce it, and I make a full paragraph. You will have 2 pieces of evidence per paragraph for this essay. But this breakdown is in Schoology to help you. Please make sure it is part of your grade if you have a framed quote and proper in-text citation. So chickadees, nothing to it but to do it.